So hi guys, today is on a Sunday. You can see all the mess here. It's our journey for renovation. Andrew sasa. So we are here with Andrew. This is our journey renovation. I'm going to do a renovation. So we need to uninstall the wallpaper, as you can see. We'll also be painting this bed. I want it painted from the brown. That's the bed. I want to remove this brown to white. So don't mind the way the place is messy. We just needed to fumigate the house first. And actually, for those who thought that if you remove the wallpaper, like if you peel off the wallpaper, it doesn't come out with your paint. There are people who normally ask, if you install the wallpaper, does it come off with the paint? No. As you can see, my paint was cream, so it's a wallpaper still, so we need to remove it too. So we are done with the first coat for this bed. And then we do another coat for the bed.